Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. I'm here again. Let's do the cooking today. The cooking of the very quick, easy, very simple, but yummy and healthy food. The chopsuey, the simplest chopsuey that there is, because I have only the carrots that is available and the Baguio beans and also the bell peppers. I don't have a lot of ingredients. Anyway, this will become so yummy and nutritious. Okay, I have here the spices are garlic, the sliced garlic, the sliced onions, the pork belly slices, bell peppers, Baguio beans, carrots, and the shrimps. I have here giant shrimps. I'm still cleaning because these are from the freezer. Okay, now I will clean this shrimp. Just showing you how to clean the shrimps. Just remove the antenna like that. Just removing the antenna. Still frozen. Like that. My God. Still not yet ready. I won't cook all because it's too much. Okay. I will just be needing 10 pieces. Okay. Okay, so now it's in 10 pieces. Okay, now that is ready. Here you go. Hello! Smile pag may time. Smile pag may time. And because I have the belly, it has already the fats coming from the meat. So only 3 drops of oil. And first I have to wrap the belly slices. Okay. Smells so yummy. Smells like breakfast bacon. Yuhuu! Sarap. Sarap. Kinukos up ang mukha ko. Wow. Like that. A little bit brown. So now ready na for the garlic to be dropped. Here you are. Like that. Very simple ang pagluto. Pwedeng sabay-sabay. Pwedeng magkasunod. It's up to you. No problem about that. Okay. Yan. May bango-bango. Okay. Ang absorber natin. Okay. Yan. Ready it starchy, or if you want the sauce to be creamy, just add 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon of, it depends on the amount you want your sauce to be, or the sauce to become creamy. Then next is, wow, ang lalaki. Here at home, we don't peel off the shrimps because we want to eat the shrimps more exciting when you peel it off while eating. You know naman, we're different from others. We want to see the shrimps full. Yeah, we enjoy seeing the shrimps, big shrimps, full big shrimps in our plates. Carrots, beans, and the shrimp, Baguio Beans, and carrot peppers. Very easy cooking, very quick. Then the secret ingredient, you know, the Nor chicken cubes. I'm already perspiring here. Marco. Okay. Nice. Add a little bit of water. Just 1 glass of water. For the exciting taste, just add brown sugar, 1 tablespoon. Wow, nice, huh? Colorful, huh? Wow. And then black pepper, salt, over it, and after 3 minutes, here after 3 minutes, here you are, already done. Let me taste. Let me taste, guys. Yes. Mmm.
Mamma mia!
Crunchy taste of shrimp. So buonissima. Buonissima verdura che si chiama Chopsuey. Buonissima. Proprio
Mamma mia!
buonissima. Buon appetito a tutti. Okay. Now I will be frying my, what do you call this fish? I will show you. I will be cooking my dalagang bukid. Here guys, dalagang bukid. Kilala nyo yan? Only 4 pieces. It's enough for us. But it's good to pair for the chopsuey. Okay, I'm going to cook this and then it will be ready for lunch. Guys, sorry. There are a lot of noise here. because our house is under construction, the repairs and the renovation, and then our dogs were transferred for these 6 workers that are working outside. They are so afraid with our dogs, even if they are that small. Okay, anyway, I am cooking that and I will be showing you later. Okay. Bon appetito! Yummy! Agang bukid. Here you are. 4 pieces will be fine because we eat that little just enough for 1 person. We are 4 people at home. So 1 for Marco, 1 for Gian, 1 for me, and 1 for my hubby. That's it. Okay guys, see you again. This is my kitchen, the very simple kitchen. And see you guys. Hope you like my vlogs, my tutorial, my videos, and everything. Okay. See you. Bye-bye. Thank you very much. Kakain ka na lakay ko. Lakay ko, gwapo, oh. Lakay ko. Ay, gutom na siya. Okay, kain na tayo. Kawawa ka naman. Wow! Ang ingay naman ni, narinig niya yung lunch na masarap. Ayan. Dalagang bukid. And then, Chopsuey. And then, the rice. Kain na. Kain tayo. Ang sarap. Sarap ng luto ko, guys. Sarap ng fish, oh. Fried fish, oh.